Okay guys, quick video for you. A little bit of a silly issue. I got a 96 Subaru Outback, and I'm pretty sure this actually is relevant to pretty much 96 to 2006, as well as a lot of the legacies, not just the Outbacks. But so I had a gentleman come in. He said that for the life of him, he can't get his parking lights to go off. So he pulled the fuse for the lighting underneath the panel. It was a 15 amp fuse. He went ahead and pulled that just so they didn't have any power going to him, but he couldn't figure out how to get them to shut off. He said he just recently got the car. And I just wanted to show you what we found here today. So a lot of vehicles, the hazard switch is right up top here, so you don't even think about messing with that. But if you're messing with something up here and your hand hits it, you actually have a parking light switch up here. So he had it turned on. He has no idea, you know, he just got the car like I said. So I went ahead and turned it off, put the fuse back in there for him. Parking lights are all good to go. Like I said, silly little video, but I hope it helps you out. Please click like, please click subscribe, and click on my name underneath this video for all my other how-to videos. And thanks guys, enjoy.